Hello everyone, I am Nandana Valiveria. I am your instructor for the 1251, Physics 1251 Studio Physics 1 for the fall 2022 semester. Okay, so if you are enrolled for the Physics 1251 CRN or the section 38058, you are in the correct section. Okay, so when you log into ELC, e-learning commons, when you go under table of content, you will see a subfolder, submodule, people call it syllabus. When you click on this link, it will take you to a PDF file. And you will have access to this PDF file all throughout the semester. I'm taking this time to record a small video, a short video, to go over the important stuff, key features of this syllabus for your class to save some time on our first day of class, this Wednesday, the 17th. So let's dive in. You will be in the section 1251, the section 38058. We meet in the physics building, room 303. And each day, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, your class starts at 11:30 a.m. 11:30 a.m. Only for the Monday and Friday, we have one period. We go from 11:30 to 12:20 p.m. But for the Wednesdays, we have a double period. We mostly do lab activities or your midterms, in-class midterms. So on Wednesdays only, we go from 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Okay, so since we had a really interesting 2 last years of instructions, online hybrid, so really important to get things clear about getting ready for the fall classes 2022. My class 1251, your section 38058 is only offered in person in class, nothing online. No instructions, no labs, no exams, midterm, no final exam, nothing online until something happens. Hope not, everything will be in person. And exams will be in person, instructions will be in person. And anything regarding the COVID-19 face coverings, please follow this link. You will have most up-to-date information. And again, here we go. Welcome and prerequisite information. I believe you all met this condition by now. Okay, so, and in this second page, I have these learning outcomes. By the end of this semester, when you complete this class, I do activities, discuss concepts, and everything we do, I want you all to master these learning outcomes by the end of this semester. So we will get there together. Now, these dates are really, really important. As we move through the semester, you will have midterms inside the classroom during the Wednesdays, during your regular class time, 11:30 to 1:30 p.m. Your first midterm, second midterm, 3 midterms, all 3 midterms grades will count towards your final letter grade and also a final exam. For the midterms, I try to have 1 month interval from the first day of class, 1 month to the second, the first midterm, to the second, to the third. So you have enough time to master the material. So we have enough time to discuss material. So midterm number 1 in class, in person, happens on the Wednesday, September 21st during your regular class time. Second midterm, October 19th. I have this right before the semester's withdrawal deadline. So everyone, if there's someone who is concerned, you have time. You took the first midterm, you have your grades ready. Second midterm, you just took it a couple of days earlier, grades might not be ready, but you could talk to me before taking any decision. So October 19th, the second midterm, third midterm, during regular Wednesday class time, November 16th. I decide these exam dates for the midterm 1, 2, 3. But for the final exam, since 1251 is a mass enrollment class, you could look through this link. it should have, university decides that the final exam should happen on the December 13th, Tuesday, 7 to 10 p.m., 7 to 10 p.m. And as we get closer, I will share information, what is the location and what to study for, everything for the final exam, okay? And textbook, really big issue. What should we get? So there are two options. I would say, because I prefer free stuff, and also this is a really good textbook. And what I would say, for the first couple of weeks, try go with the free textbook. I have the link right here. Try it, go with the lecture, try it. If you like it, please keep continuing throughout the semester. But after a few days, if you don't like it, here you have the option, the one I used to have in my classes. Go ahead, you are more than welcome to use it. So as you prefer, either textbook will work in my class. And pre-lecture videos are a big part of my classes to prepare you come ready for the classroom. So you don't have to buy anything through the textbook, no, nothing. I will assign pre-lecture video assignments. You will watch a short video, answer a couple of questions. Those are through ELC assignments. You don't have anything for the first day of class. No, these will start later. So I will keep you posted. As we meet on the first day of class, this information I will share with you. And we will use Google Forms. So I'm trying to save some money for you guys. You don't have to buy anything, no clickers, no clicker subscription. Don't worry about that. These things will be class activities, but free. And a really basic calculator will do the work for you throughout this semester, okay? And ELC for sharing slides, homework solutions, exam solution, and announcements. And again, as I said, ELC announcements, ELC assignments for the pre-class or before class assignments. And I have a section later on about the homework, weekly homeworks. I will share more information later on. We use an online platform called LearnKappa. LearnKappa homeworks will start during the second week of classes next week. So more information to come, but nothing to worry right now. And this, very, very important. All these items we do throughout the semester will count towards your final letter grade. There will be a final exam that will count 20% of your letter grade. 40% of your final letter grade counts the midterms, but first midterm, second and third, the best grade could be the first midterm or could be the second or the third. That counts the most, 18%. The better you do, that contributes more for your final letter grade. The lowest score could be the second, could be the third, first. That counts the least, only 9% of your final letter grade. Weekly homeworks we do through the LearnKappa, that will count 10% of your final letter grade. 15% of your letter grade decided by your lab grade. You do with the group members, and we do 9 labs throughout the semester. Okay, so more information as we move through. The ELC assigned pre-lecture videos, pre-lecture questions, that counts 5%, nothing for the first day of class. And inside the classroom, there will be clicker questions we do using Google Forms, minute papers, the first 5 minutes of the most of the classes. There will be a minute paper. Problem solving activities you do using whiteboards with group members. Many, many more fun activities that counts towards your final letter grade 10%. So coming to class every day is a must if you are looking for an A in this section, in this class. And more information about deciding your grade, please read them. And in-person, in-class, midterms, and in-person final exam. I specifically tell you guys to stay away from check or similar, course hero, whatever you call it, staying away. We are here to work together. I am here to help you guys. So staying away from these would be very, very important. And More information, please read through, and the homework through the loan kappa, please read through them. I will share more information in our first day of class. And the labs, same as that. In-class activities, academic honesty policy, it's the same. Please read through, and the withdrawal deadline, October 24th, you will have, as I said, 2 midterms done by that point. And more stuff, your responsibilities. I appreciate if you could read these through. So read these through, we will be in the same page. COVID-19 policies, you have information right here. And if you go to the page number 10 and 11, here I have a week by week plan for you. For a given week, what are the topics we are going to discuss? And what happens on a given Wednesday? Is that instructions double period day with mini labs, mini activities? Is that a lab activity day, or is that an exam day? So you have an idea. This is a tentative plan. Things could change with announcements, but for now, this is the plan I want to discuss to get you guys ready for the midterms and the final exam on the 13th. So everyone, please watch this video. When you are done watching this video on the Google form, hit next on the Google form. That will take you to the course agreement that I asked you to ask you for 3 questions. Then when it is done, hit submit, and you have access to this PDF file. And I will see you on Wednesday. Good luck, everyone. Okay, stop recording.